Mamaya po meron. Mamaya, magkaroon ng instruction. Ay, don't worry. Mag-say hi muna sa camera. Facilitator. Mga cutie. Okay. Kuya Mike, ano masasabi mo? Ano masasabi to June?
I'm blooming.
Ah! Yeah, oo. Bawal yan. Baka mamaya po.
Oo, biglang 901 tayo. Ayaw niyo.
Yeah. 6 and 7 lahat na. Okay. So may I request the team leader to come here in front? So ano po yung pangalan nila? Benjamin. Ivan. Elijah. Erwin. Rose and Ray. Alright. So, can we give a round of applause for Ray Lee Baptist? Kahit na wala doon. Alright. So, the reason why I called you guys here in front is we will discuss the instruction about our Amazing Grace game. So, we will, sino yung familiar sa Amazing Grace game? But our version is Amazing Grace. So, yeah, over there. So, just a couple instruction ng hold on. Ate Kat will give you your bands. So, you can get one string and put it in your wrist. And later on, put it as well on your team member's wrist. Then, I'll give you your maps.
Maps.
Alright,
Mapa.
So, Kuya Raul, if you can go to the next slide, please. So, in that map, you can also see those instructions, guys. But for now, eyes on the board, please. So, please make sure to put those bands on the wrist of your team members so that alam nila na team nila kayo. And for you as well to recognize na know if you are 6 or 7 kasi the next bullet says we have to make sure that the team is all accounted for when you go to the facilitator. So, assign a number to your team. So, every time you get a clue, so whenever you get the clue, you will count yourselves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, at kung ilan yung number dyan sa papel nyo. Understood ba yun?
Dito. Mountain here.
Doon na sa actual, yung sa station na po, bibigyan kayo ng ibang papel.
As in yung station.
Ano yung nabunot nyo?
Banquet.
Dito lang.
Banquet.
Ito po.
Lead me to the ground.
Ilan po kayo sa
7 po. Welcome. Lead me and I will follow you. Team captain.
yung dalawa? Ito.
Yeah. It should be.
Lead me.
Amen. Ano washroom?
Put up blindfold. You don't have blindfold. Step 2. Go inside your meetings. Issue at the start and signature.
Anong tito? Stay afloat. Okay.
Meron dito
Wala pong bala na isa.
Oh, my soul. Ready? Ah, sorry. sorry. Oh,
Wag na drop.
my soul.
So, wala po akong bala.
Go, 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 go! Go! Yes! Okay, done. What's that? Gonna go. What's that? Landscape, Kuya Pete. Landscape. Yay!
Okay, step forward, one more. Turn to your right. Step forward. Okay, turn to your right. Step forward. More. Okay. One more step.
Babalik pa ba sa babalik pa hindi?
Turn to your right.
Finish! It's done! Yes!
Just recite. And go, last one. Last one.
Just ano,
Who's the leader? Who's leader? Who's your team leader? Here.
Listen to my voice. I know them and they will follow me. John 10:7.
Jan 10, 27.
Okay.
Yes!
Go, 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 go. Yeah, just
Likod mo sa pila, sa likod ulit. O, pinakalikod ka.
Faster!
yeah, go, go,
Ay,
go.
alas na, isa lang.
Ano yun yan?
O, kumuha lang po kayo ng isa doon.
Oh, five,
Bibigyan
five.
nyo lang po sa
Line outside, line outside.
Oh, we're ready.
Okay.
Okay.
Go. Bart, tayo ka rito.
Ako magbubo.
Yeah. Only one by one. Sis, pakisa sis.
Sa-
Give me,
Agad
give me.
na wait lang.
Other group.
Okay.
Go, Elijah!
Hintayin niyo sa labas. Yung mga teammate nyo. Hintayin niyo sa
Sige,
labas.
tita, sige. Sige nyo, tita.
Hintayin niyo sa labas ang teammate nyo.
Give me, give me, give me more, give me more, give me more, baby.
Faster!
More.
Hintayin yung teammate nyo sa labas.
Give me, give me. Give me.
Wala
Oh, come in, come in.
Yeah? Finish?
Okay, so
You
my,
Yeah.
my sheep listen to my voice. I know them and they follow me. John 10:27.
Yay! Perfect!
Listen to me, my voice. I know them and they know me. John 10:27.
Yay! Penguin!
Flight flags already. You can come with me and head for a base Alright, where's your white flags? And let me hear your team number. Count down, please. 1, 2,
All by
4, 5, 6, 7. And count your flags.
all the American.
Alright. The second team, you should be proud, guys. You complete all the stations. Oh, where are the others? There are lost sheep. Wait lang po. Actually, natin sila dito. Ate. There you go.
Yes!
Even your weak post.
Woo!
Alright, number 2. What about the third one?
The third!
Just a second. Alright, so, wow, give a round of applause to the third team.
Yay!
Alright, and you got your winning post. Picture.
Picture!
Alright. Okay, you can go to your account for your prize as well. And give them your winning post too. May pinaglalaban si ate. Okay. Awesome. You can go to Atikan for your prize. Alright.
6?
Alright. Meron din kayong prize kay Atikan. And you approach Atikan over there in that corner. And last but not the least, the 6th group. May we call on the 6th group to come to the stage. Sorry? 6 or 7? I think 7. It's my bad. 7 pala. And you can also claim your prize to Atika. So everybody here is a winner. I'm not alert during the game here. Anything. But here na po eh. So, ano yung kuya? Teamwork or something? Ano yung na-build mo during that game? Teamwork. Alright, thank you very much. And you can...
Yes, Elijah.
What did you learn, kuya, sa Bible Puzzle Relay?
Teamwork as well. Yes. And also that it's up to us to put the pieces together even if others help us on the journey.
Alright. So, help each other. Thank you, kuya. So,
Okay, after the
say spring in 1, 2, 3. Spring! 1, 2, 3. Spring! Yay!
Ngiti sabi. Smile sad, oy! Ha?